Dates are incredibly delicious, with a rich, caramel-like sweetness that makes them a favorite treat for many. But did you know that for some people, dates can actually trigger severe gastrointestinal issues, leading to intense pain and even hospital visits? Yes, you heard that right. This seemingly innocent fruit could be hiding a dark secret that might be putting your health at serious risk. But don't worry, because today we're going to uncover the truth about dates and find out who should avoid them and why. Stay with me to the end to learn how to protect yourself from these potential dangers. Let's get started. First, let me tell you a quick story. My friend Emma loves dates. She eats them almost every day. But recently, she started experiencing some unexpected health issues. After a visit to her doctor, she found out that dates were actually contributing to her problems. Surprised? So was she. Here's what we learned. Let's break it down. Here are the top 5 health problems that might make you want to avoid dates. 1. Diabetes and blood sugar spikes. Dates are undeniably tasty, but they're also packed with natural sugars. This high sugar content can lead to significant blood sugar spikes, which is particularly concerning if you have diabetes or are at risk of developing it. Despite their low glycemic index, GI, meaning they cause a slower rise in blood sugar compared to other sugary foods, the sheer quantity of sugar in dates can still be problematic if consumed in large amounts. A single medjool date contains about 16 grams of sugar. Eating just a few can add up quickly, pushing your blood sugar levels higher than you might expect. This can be dangerous, leading to hyperglycemia, which can cause symptoms like increased thirst, frequent urination, fatigue, and in severe cases, even diabetic coma. So if you're managing diabetes or trying to keep your blood sugar levels stable, it's crucial to keep a close eye on your date intake. Enjoying them in moderation, perhaps just 1 or 2 dates at a time, can help you savor their sweetness without compromising your health. And always remember to pair them with foods that have protein or healthy fats to slow down the sugar absorption into your bloodstream. 2. Allergies. While dates are a delightful treat for many, they can trigger allergic reactions in some individuals. Allergies to dates are relatively uncommon, but when they do occur, the symptoms can vary widely in severity. Some people might experience mild reactions such as itching in the mouth or throat, while others might face more severe symptoms. Imagine taking a bite of a delicious, sweet date and suddenly feeling an itchy sensation in your mouth. This mild discomfort might be your body's way of telling you that it doesn't agree with dates. For others, the reaction can escalate to hives, swelling, or even difficulty breathing. In the most severe cases, an allergic reaction to dates can lead to anaphylaxis, a life-threatening condition that requires immediate medical attention. It's important to be aware of any unusual symptoms that occur after consuming dates. If you notice any signs of an allergic reaction, such as itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing, it's crucial to stop eating them and consult with your doctor. They can perform tests to determine if you have a date allergy and advise you on how to manage it. Remember, it's always better to be cautious and seek medical advice if you suspect you might be allergic to dates. Your health and safety come first, and there are plenty of other nutritious and delicious foods you can enjoy without the risk of an allergic reaction. If you've found this information helpful so far, please take a moment to share this video with your loved ones. 3. Gastrointestinal issues. Dates are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which is generally beneficial for digestive health. Fiber helps to promote regular bowel movements and can prevent constipation. However, for individuals with certain digestive conditions, the high fiber content in dates can actually exacerbate problems rather than alleviate them. If you suffer from irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, for example, you might find that eating dates triggers uncomfortable symptoms like cramping, bloating, and gas. IBS is a common gastrointestinal disorder that affects the large intestine, and symptoms can be triggered by various foods, including high-fiber foods like dates. The high-fiber content in dates can lead to excessive fermentation in the gut, resulting in increased gas production and bloating. Similarly, if you're prone to bloating or have other digestive issues like diverticulitis or inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, consuming dates might aggravate your symptoms. The insoluble fiber in dates can be difficult to digest, leading to feelings of fullness, discomfort, and gas. Additionally, the natural sugars in dates, such as fructose, can also cause bloating and gas in individuals who have difficulty absorbing these sugars. To avoid these gastrointestinal issues, it's important to consume dates in moderation and pay attention to how your body responds. Start with a small amount and see how you feel before deciding to eat more. If you notice any negative symptoms, it might be best to limit or avoid dates and opt for other low-fiber fruits that are easier on your digestive system, such as bananas or melons. In conclusion, while dates are a healthy snack for many, they can cause gastrointestinal distress in people with certain digestive conditions. By being mindful of your body's reactions and adjusting your diet accordingly, you can enjoy a balanced and comfortable digestive health. 4. Weight gain dates are often praised as a healthy alternative to sugary snacks and candies. They're naturally sweet, packed with nutrients, and provide a quick energy boost. However, it's important to remember that dates are also high in calories and natural sugars, which can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. A single medjool date contains around 66 calories. While that might not seem like much, the calories can add up quickly if you're snacking on multiple dates throughout the day. For example, eating 5 dates means you've consumed over 300 calories, nearly as much as a small meal. If you're trying to maintain or lose weight, those extra calories can make a significant difference. The high-calorie content of dates comes primarily from their natural sugars. These sugars, although better than refined sugars, can still lead to increased calorie intake, particularly if you're not balancing them with physical activity. When the body takes in more calories than it burns, the excess is stored as fat, leading to weight gain over time. Moreover, the sweetness of dates can sometimes lead to overconsumption. It's easy to get carried away, eating several in one sitting without realizing how many calories you're consuming. This is especially true if you have a sweet tooth or if dates are part of a trail mix or dessert. To enjoy dates without the risk of unwanted weight gain, moderation is key. Incorporate dates into your diet in small amounts. Use them to sweeten dishes naturally, such as in oatmeal or smoothies, rather than eating them by the handful. Additionally, balance your intake of dates with other low-calorie, nutrient-dense foods like vegetables and lean proteins. Remember, while dates are a healthier choice than many processed snacks, they are still energy-dense and should be consumed mindfully, especially if you're watching your weight. By keeping an eye on portion sizes and overall calorie intake, you can enjoy the delicious taste of dates without compromising your weight management goals. 5. Potassium. Overload dates are a fantastic source of potassium, an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining proper heart and muscle function, as well as balancing fluids and electrolytes in the body. For most people, the potassium found in dates is beneficial and helps support overall health. However, if you have certain medical conditions, consuming too many dates can lead to potassium overload, which can be harmful. For individuals with kidney issues, managing potassium levels is vital. Healthy kidneys help regulate potassium levels in the blood, but if your kidneys aren't functioning properly, they may not be able to remove excess potassium efficiently. This can lead to hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by abnormally high levels of potassium in the blood. Symptoms of hyperkalemia include fatigue, muscle weakness, irregular heartbeats, and in severe cases, it can cause life-threatening heart problems. Dates are delicious and nutritious, but they're not for everyone. If you have any of these health problems, it's important to be mindful of how many dates you're eating. Remember, it's all about balance and listening to your body. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Comment below if you've had any experiences with dates affecting your health. We'd love to hear your stories. And as always, stay healthy and happy.